name is Nordini Sofia binti Azizi and my matrix number is 2022855992. And I will start this presentation with introduction of DBM Engineering SDN BHD. It was established in 2001 by Solnidal. It is based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is recognized globally as an excellent choice for construction service due to outstanding customer service, flawless finishing, and top quality supplies. Over the year, DBM Engineering has evolved into a prominent construction firm in Malaysia, boosting a workforce for experienced and qualified experts. DBM Engineering distinguishes itself through exceptional customer service, and they always eager to go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction.
Assalamualaikum. Let's talk about the purpose and the importance of company Hirarc, which the purpose is first and foremost to prioritize the occupational safety and health in the company. Therefore, the accident or injury prone could be avoided. Next, to ensure the company and workers aware of the guideline of the occupational safety health in the company. Lastly, is to ensure the environment at the workplace is safe and organized. Let's go to the importance of this purpose is firstly to identify all of detailed risky hazards at the workplace that could harm others. Secondly, to consider the chance of ones which might be facing the circumstance of any cases and the possibilities that could occur from the risk. Moreover, it is to enable employers to plan, introduce and monitor preventive measures to ensure the risks are adequately always controlled. Assessment is conducted by Mr. Arif and his colleague regarding construction field which relates to Sungai Besi Ulu Klang Elevated Expressway SUKA. He is complying with every safety and health officer would assign to, which is to run the responsibility by listing down the planning and conduct for certain situations. For instance, the area of risky hazard, the adequacy of existing control or planning before implementing the actual activities of Hirarc.
Hazard elements for each working situation. A workplace hazard is any activity that can potentially cause harm or damage in a work setting. It includes physical dangers like machinery and uneven surfaces, as well as chemical exposures, ergonomic issues, and psychosocial factors. Identifying and addressing this hazard is crucial for ensuring workplace safety and preventing harm to people or the environment. This contact discusses various occupational hazards and risks associated with different construction activities. It identifies excavation work, concrete construction, and welding as three major risky activities on construction sites. Excavation work poses risks of falling materials, collapse of nearby structures, and damage to underground utilities. Concrete construction involves hazards from heavy materials, equipment from finishing work, and exposure to cement dust. Welding brings risks of burns, respiratory issues from fumes, noise, and electrical hazards.
Hi, I'll continue another part which is risk assessment. Businesses must conduct risk assessment to identify and manage dangers to their operations. Assessment identify risks and build processes, controls, and strategies to minimize their influence on the firm's operation. This risk matrix is popular because it is effortless to use and meets all risk assessment needs. From this table, we can rank the severity of each potential threat, with a high risk requiring a more extreme and urgent reaction. Firstly, the biggest concern, which is the potential of objects falling from high areas and threatening those working below. This rating is 9 because it is due to the balanced likelihood and severity. Secondly, when finishing and handling concrete, consider construction site concerns such as chemical exposure. Work with concrete carefully due to dangers. Additionally, welding that exposes workers to strong heat and light offers another hazard. The medium level suggests moderate risk, meaning high temperatures and bright sunshine are concerns. Finally, scaffolding and elevated platforms provide a fall risk. Falling from high places is a moderate risk.
The Occupational Safety and Health (OSH) team emphasizes systematic risk control to ensure employee safety by identifying, evaluating, and mitigating workplace hazards. In various construction activities like post-tensioning works, risk control methods include personal protective equipment, which is PPE, use and engineering controls like isolating workers from hazards. Excavation and trenching involve comprehensive site evaluation, engineering controls, safety protocols, training, inspections, and monitoring to prevent hazards like cave-ins. Concrete construction requires strict safety procedures, training, quality checks, and formwork inspections to ensure worker safety. Welding and high-risk installation tasks need proper ventilation, PPE use, such as helmets, gloves, protective clothing, fire safety measures, compliance with standards, training, inspection, and testing to minimize risk. PPE such as hard hats, safety shoes, gloves, and fall arrest devices is crucial in construction to protect workers from various hazards like falling objects, foot injuries, hand injuries, and falls at elevated heights.
And the last part is conclusion. DBM Engineering SDN BHD employs hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control, which is Hirarc, as a systematic approach to enhance worker safety and mitigate risks in building projects. The company utilizes risk assessment techniques to identify potential hazards, including those related to work safety, job site safety, and work quality, ranging from electrocution to electrical flaws. DBM Engineering actively implement risk control measures such as ensuring proper personal protective equipment, redefine site layout for floors, and assessing the safety performance of contractor. The systematic Hirarc approach integrates into regular business processes, reflects the company's commitment to worker safety, and its continued review ensures a secure and healthy workplace while supporting regulatory compliance.